In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a list ID in ClickUp. First, open the list you want to work with inside ClickUp. You can do this from your sidebar or any space where your lists are organized. Once the list is open and fully loaded, we're going to grab the ID directly from your browser, which is the quickest and most reliable method. Now, click on your browser's address bar to highlight the full URL. This is the web link to the exact page you're viewing. You'll notice the address is made up of different parts separated by slashes. We're interested in the portion that includes ALI as SAS because that's the marker ClickUp uses to indicate a list. Here's the key. Find ALI SAS is in the URL and look right after it. The number immediately following ALI is your list ID. Copy just that number. You don't need anything before it or after it. Only the digits that come right after LISS and stop before the next slash or symbol. If you see anything like a question mark later in the link, ignore it. Your ID is the clean number right after LISS. Let's walk through an example together. Imagine your URL looks like this. https://app.clickup.com 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 V L I 4 5 5 6 7 8 and 9 3. In that link, the first number is the workspace ID, helpful for context, but not what we need. The #li portion tells you that you're on a list. The number that follows, 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3, is the list ID. That's the value you'll use whenever a tool, integration, or setup field asks for the list ID. This method also works even if you use copy link to view inside ClickUp. Those view links still include the list ID because a view lives inside a list. So when you paste that kind of link into your browser or a document, you can still scan for ALI and extract the number that comes right after it. Again, just copy that number and you're done. A quick tip: double check that you haven't grabbed any extra characters like slashes or trailing parameters. You want only the digits after LI. If you're on Windows, pressing Ctrl+C copies the highlighted text. On macOS, it's Command+E, and that's it. You've successfully found your list ID in ClickUp. It's quick, clear, and dependable for workflows, automations, and integrations that require precise IDs. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more straightforward tips like this.